Okay, so I pay 4 memory to digivolve my Metal Greymon into Black War Greymon, and then sets you to 1 memory for your turn. You fool! You've activated my trap card. I play Hamburger Recipe, so I sacrifice my Pikachu and my Eevee to special summon Hungry Burger. Wait, I thought we were playing Digimon cards. I thought we were playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Even if we were playing Yu-Gi-Oh! Hamburger Recipe isn't a trap card, it's a spell card! Oh shoot. Welcome back to a spooky nerd cuisine, where inspiration this time comes in the form of a children's trading card. Looking at Hungry Burger, it's got 2 layers of lettuce, 1 very flat and round patty, and a slice of tomato. The bun also has teeth, which we'll have to try to figure out. And the spookiest part is, there's no cheese. So starting out here, do you know what's even scarier than a haunted patty? A plant-based haunted patty. Putting the trick into trick or treat. Also, I don't eat beef. I'm going real basic for this, just treating it like a normal, non-scary patty, from what I've gathered over my food media watching career. This means salt and pepper on both sides.
Oh no, it's a spooky cat! Come on, get down, my hands are dirty! Cinder, you know what you're doing.
As I was saying, this means salt and pepper on both sides, not squeezing or mangling the meat, and I'm also trying to make them slightly smaller than my buns, which you'll see later, I failed to do. I don't really cook outside, so I think the best other way to make burgers is to use cast iron, which I have preheated over high heat. I also put a little dimple into the patty with the thought that this would help keep it flat like it supposedly does with meat patties. But I guess plant-based, you don't need to do that, because now it just looks silly. For burger assembly, the most pivotal piece is those teeths. That almost rhymes. So to be honest, I googled cone-shaped snack hoping to find something that would work, and this is what came up. I've never had them before, I'm not even sure I've seen these bugle snacks before. But let's open them up and fingers crossed they're what I want. They're a little bigger than I expected, but it looks like I can cut them down to size without breaking them. Well, most of them. Oops.
Dream.
And then you put the bun down. Lettuce. 2 big patty. Lettuce. Tomato, which I seasoned lightly. And then the other bun on top. Ta-da! A horrifying toothed burger, capable of defeating monsters with 2300 attack or below. The only thing that's really supernatural about this burger is how supernaturally boring it is. Without any kind of like sauce or cheese, it's pretty dry. And it was really, really hard to fit in my mouth. So let's do this again. And this time, we're going to top the burger with sauerkraut and provolone, because that's what I had in my fridge. Steam those hams to melt the cheese. Toast your buns. Slather on some mayo mixed with a tiny bit of ketchup to make it a kind of Russian dressing to go on my kind of Reuben burger. So here's our new updated spoopy burger. I'm not going to play around with this one. The other one lost all its teeth. Easier than that tooth fairy at a caramel convention. It's still so... How am I supposed to fit this in my mouth? I'm not a python. I cannot unhinge my jowl. There we go. I did it! Guys, I did it! Woo!
And there was much rejoicing.
Now that the sense of accomplishment has worn off, I could say this tastes a 6 out of 10. It's still pretty simple as far as burgers go, and it's a bit fatty. The combination of cheese, the mayonnaise, and the fake meat just make it a bit much. But it's better than the too dry version I made previously. There are probably other ways to gourmet up this burger. I'd add capers and caraway and apple to the sauerkraut to cut through kind of that fattiness, and I'd also make the patty smaller. And Maybe some black pepper for the patty too. Make it kind of like a brisket Reuben instead of whatever it was I made. And when I think about a burger, I really don't want a salad bar to come along with. Maybe that's the true horror of the season. Vegetables. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a spoopy Halloween. Ooh, ow! Why did I think that was a good idea? It fell on my butt.